Welcome to my Nigerian cooking channel. Today I share with you how to make Nigerian pap at home from scratch. The first thing to do is to pour your dry corn into a big bowl of water. For this recipe, you would need a lot of water. Yes, you would need a lot of water. You would also need at least 3 to 4 big bowls. So it's okay, it's nice to have all of these on hand when you're going to make your pap at home using this recipe. What I'm doing here is just to simply clean the corn and ensure that it's nice. So I'll get a small basket and I'll be using that small basket to sieve out this chaff that is floating on top of the water because I don't need the chaff. The next thing I will do, I'll dispose this chaff and then I'll get a bigger bowl. Into that bigger bowl, I'll be cleaning the corn and putting the cleaned corn into the big bowl. As I continue with this video, I need to tell you something about pap. Pap is on the top of the list of healthy Nigerian food recipes. Yes, so if you are looking to, begin to incorporate more healthy Nigerian foods in your diet, you need to consider pap. It is great for breakfast, it is great for lunch, it is great for dinner. Now, I had to speed up this part because I didn't want to stress this video or make this video too long. I'm pouring the cleaned corn into a bowl. I'll cover this bowl and then let it ferment. I'll let the corn ferment for 3 days. Yes, you heard that right. 3 good days before I continue with the recipe. Now, let me show you what the corn looks like after 3 days. This is it right here. And you can see the sign of fermentation already floating. I'll drain off this water. That's the water I used to ferment the corn. I'll drain it off. I'll dispose this water because I don't need this water. Then I'll get another fresh, clean bowl of water and I'll rinse this corn in this fresh, clean bowl of water. This part is necessary, okay? So don't skip this part. Now, speaking of this channel, this is a Nigerian food recipes channel. And if you're interested in Nigerian cooking videos, this is where you should be. So don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe because I share easy Nigerian food recipes that you will love. Right now, I'm simply scooping out the fermented corn from the water I used to clean it. I'll throw this water away and I'll get my bowl of ginger. Yes, you see, the benefit of adding ginger to your pap is if you really don't like that sour taste, remember, pap is fermented food. So if you really don't like that sour taste, add ginger. What ginger does is it adds a little bit of spice to your pap. It also adds this lovely, delicious ginger flavor and ginger scent. Yes, please do not use ginger flavoring. Use actual ginger. That way you are able to have all the benefits and enjoy all the benefits of eating fermented food, that is fermented corn made into Nigerian pap, and also enjoying ginger, raw ginger. Okay, so right now I'm simply cleaning my ginger before putting it into this bucket filled with the fermented corn. Yes. I'll cover this and get it blended at a commercial mill because I just wanted this to be really fast. Now I'm done blending, and what I'll do is I'll scoop some parts of this blended corn and ginger paste into a bowl. Honestly, I cleaned or I made this entire bucket full of fermented ginger and corn paste. It took me about 2 hours, but I know you don't want to spend 2 hours watching me separate actual Nigerian pap from the chaff. So I scooped this bit in the bowl and I'll be showing you how I made the corn using how I made the pap using just what's in the bowl to save your time and to ensure that this video is fast enough. I'm scooping the corn paste into this sieve. This is the popular sieve used to make pap in Nigeria. Most people have it and it's very easy to get. Now I'll begin to add water into the sieve. When I add water into the sieve, what I'm doing is I'm trying to separate the smooth pap from the corn chaff because pap has to be smooth. If you have chaff in your pap, you will not enjoy it, okay? So pap has to be smooth, and that is why I'll be adding more and more and more water while moving my hand in a circular motion to separate the chaff from the pap And the way you would know that all the chaff has been properly separated from the pap is when you pour water into the sieve and the water just drains out into the bucket or into the bowl down. Then you know that, okay, yes, the pap has been separated from this chaff, and then it's time to take this chaff and put it in a separate bowl to be thrown away. Yes, also you would feel the roughness in your hands, it's going to be very, very rough. As you begin to separate more of the pap from the chaff, you would feel the chaff in the sieve becoming very, very rough. Now, let's try what I said. As you can see, I poured water and in a split second it's out of the sieve. Yes. So what is remaining is the chaff. I'll do it again and then you see what I'm trying to say. Okay, you see it, and then the water is out. So now I can say that I have sieved out the pap, and what I have left in the sieve is the chaff. I will simply just ensure that I get all the liquid out of the chaff, and then I'll put the chaff in a separate bowl beside me. Usually, some people use this chaff to feed their goats, their chicken. They use it mainly for livestock feed anyway, or they just dispose it. So I'll do this process again for the remaining one in this bowl. Don't forget, this is how I cleaned or I separated the chaff from the pap for all the corn that was in that bucket bowl. I'm sure you don't want to spend about 2.5 hours watching me do that, because, yes, it took me that long. Yes, I need to be truthful with you. Making Nigerian pap at home is time consuming, but it is worth it. Trust me, it is worth it, because after you make it, you get pap that lasts you for about 1 month. So, for a whole 1 month, you are enjoying healthy food without worrying about, oh, where do I need to get this? How do I need to get this? Now that I am done with all of this, after sieving the corn, the separating the corn, corn chaff from the pap, you leave it in a bucket and it settles for about 3 hours. Now, after 3 hours, the water floats on top and the pap goes down. So you sieve out the water like I'm doing now. You see, this water I'm sieving is what Yorubas call omidun. Omidun is used for many herbal concoctions. At this point, you can actually cook this thick pap and it will be lovely. It will be tasty. But what many people prefer to do is we prefer to drain out the excess water. This is because by draining out the excess water, it gives the pap a longer lifespan. It doesn't spoil quickly. Yes, and in Nigeria, we don't have light, so we need to, devise this method. I'm simply wearing my cheesecloth into a bucket, and I'll be pouring this pap in this other bucket into the cheesecloth. What I'm going to be doing here is to simply drain the water off to ensure that I have a thick pap, like you saw in the beginning. Now, I need to say this. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If you're new to this channel, see, let me tell you why you should subscribe to this channel. I have so many Nigerian cooking videos for you that you will enjoy. This is a Nigerian cooking channel. So if you love to watch how to make Nigerian dishes, if you love Nigerian dishes and how to prepare them, this is where you will find a whole lot of Nigerian dishes that you will love. Yes, trust me, you will love this channel. I mean, look at me selling my channel and trying to make you subscribe. I hope I tried, yeah? Please subscribe. Thank you. So what I'm just doing here is I'm going to be tying the tip of the cheesecloth to ensure that the pap is properly secured in the cheesecloth. Then I'll get a basket and I'll put the cheesecloth on the basket. I can decide to leave this till the water drains off finally. But if you're in a hurry, put this plastic bag on your cheesecloth. Place a heavy substance. In this case, I decided to use a stone and just leave it. The water will drain off fast, and this is what you will get. Now, let me get a bowl and show you how thick this pap is. Yes, honestly, making Nigerian pap is worth the try and the effort. Yes, you have to say to yourself, okay, yes, today I'm going to make this, I'm putting the effort. But at the end, you will be happy with the result, just like I'm happy. Take a look at all of this pap, ginger pap. Ooh, imagine cooking this pap in the morning and having that lovely, delicious aroma of ginger fill your kitchen. It is so, so lovely. Pap digests fast. These are some of the benefits of pap. It digests really fast. It's good for babies, it's good for adults because it is fermented food. So it has probiotics that is good for your gut health. It's good to watch your weight. Yes, if you are planning to watch your weight, you are intending to lose some weight, you need to include pap in your diet. It helps with weight loss and it combines well with so many food. It combines well with akara, with moi moi, you just name it. This delicious pap is ready to be stored in my fridge. Like I'd always say, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me talk. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, good food should be enjoyed always. By the way, if you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, yeah? Bye.